Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. Now if you have already been logged in, you will directly be taken into the homepage where you will be able to see all of your previous conversations. In order to log out from this browser, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and you will find the logout button. Go ahead and click on it and this will now immediately log you out from your account on ChatGPT, and you will then see the login as well as the create free account button. You can click on stay logged out in order to use this without logging in, or you may also proceed forward to log in by using the login buttons if you wish to do so in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.